In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the transcripts of any video on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to get the translations or the transcripts from a video, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and open the YouTube video that you want to find or to get the transcripts. Once you have found it, head down here under descriptions here and then click on more. And down here you will see we have transcript. If you click on short transcript, now you can see we have a column that will be added here for your transcripts, and this will have the entire transcripts of the whole video from beginning to end. Now to get this video transcript, go ahead and highlight them from the beginning to the end, and then now you can copy them by using a combination of Ctrl+C on Windows to copy them. So that's how you can get video transcripts on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.